Protein shakes are popular supplements that provide a concentrated dose of protein in a convenient and easily digestible form. In this video, we will show you shocking benefits of protein shake drinking daily. They are commonly consumed by athletes, bodybuilders, fitness enthusiasts, and individuals looking to increase their protein intake. Here are some of the potential benefits associated with protein shakes. 1. Muscle growth and repair. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth. Consuming protein shakes, especially after resistance training, can help promote muscle protein synthesis and enhance muscle recovery. 2. Weight management. Protein can help you feel full and satisfied, potentially reducing overall calorie intake. This can be beneficial for those looking to manage their weight or lose weight, as it can help control hunger and prevent overeating. 3. Improved exercise performance. Adequate protein intake can support exercise performance by providing the necessary building blocks for muscle repair and growth. This can lead to improved strength, endurance, and overall athletic performance. 4. Convenience. Protein shakes are a convenient and quick way to increase your protein intake, especially for individuals with busy lifestyles or those who have difficulty consuming enough protein through whole foods alone. Nutrient supplementation. Many protein shakes are fortified with essential vitamins and minerals, providing an additional nutritional boost. This can be especially beneficial for individuals with specific dietary restrictions or those who may have difficulty obtaining certain nutrients from their regular diet. 6. Recovery. Consuming protein shakes after intense workouts can help speed up the recovery process by providing the necessary amino acids to repair and rebuild muscle tissue. It's important to note that while protein shakes can be a convenient way to boost protein intake, they should not replace whole, nutrient-dense foods in your diet. Additionally, individual protein needs can vary based on factors such as age, sex, activity level, and overall health goals. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to determine the right amount of protein intake for your specific needs. Dietary supplements come in many forms, from powders to capsules to liquids. While you may find ready-to-drink protein shakes in liquid form, you can also purchase protein supplements in powder form. Many types of powdered protein supplements are available from either animal or plant-based sources. For instance, the most popular animal-based protein powders are whey and casein, both usually derived from cow's milk. However, if you have a milk allergy, egg white protein may be a suitable. As for popular plant-based proteins, you can take your pick from soy, pea, hemp, or rice protein. Lastly, as their name implies, dietary supplements are meant to help you complete or enhance your diet. Overall, when you don't have high-quality protein sources available or simply can't reach your daily protein needs through food alone, protein shakes were initially consumed by athletes and gym enthusiasts who wanted to increase their muscle mass and improve their performance. In fact, combining protein shakes with resistance training may promote muscle growth and enhance physical performance and recovery. This happens because resistance training stimulates muscle protein synthesis, as does an increased intake of high-quality protein. As mentioned before, protein shakes provide amino acids that are easily absorbed by your body. Researchers believe that their intake increases amino acid levels in the bloodstream, which in turn triggers a more significant response for muscle synthesis.